Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Install the correct T50 bit into a high-quality driver or impact. Apply penetrating oil directly to the bolt head, then wait 10 to 15 minutes so it soaks in. While waiting, firmly stabilize the part, clamp it or use jack stands. You must prevent twisting. Once done, seat the T50 bit squarely in the bolt, press down to remove play, and give a short, sharp impact with the driver to break initial torque. This prevents rounding and starts the removal process. You continue by applying steady torque. Use an impact driver for short, forceful blows or a breaker bar for smooth leverage. If the bolt resists, heat the surrounding metal for 1 to 2 minutes with a heat gun or propane torch to expand the hole and free corrosion. Once the bolt starts to turn, maintain constant pressure and back it out slowly. Sudden force can shear it. If the head starts to round, stop and switch to a bolt extractor or weld a nut onto the head to regain full grip. You finish by fully backing the bolt out, inspecting threads, and deciding on replacement. Choose the correct grade and length. Clean the hole with a wire brush and run a thread chaser or tap to restore threads before installing the new fastener. If the bolt shears, center drill the broken shaft, use a proper extractor, and consider a helicoil insert if threads are ruined. One key tip: if an extractor bites but won't turn, heat plus light tapping often breaks the corrosion bond. Then try again carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.